in the traditional meal. Yeah,
chicken
so
mutton.
I'm not sure how it's served though. I've never had it before, so how do you recommend?
Pork,
Yeah. So what's all this like? What's the meal here?
rice, dal, chicken, and you choose mutton, fish, one.
Oh, so this one is what you choose.
Sa,
Yeah.
vegetable,
Yeah. And this one?
mixed vegetable.
Oh. Then I think I'll have, which is the best one? Mutton or
Mutton based.
mutton good? Then I'll have the mutton one.
Mutton,
Then.
right?
Yeah, I'll also have the momo.
Momo chicken.
Yeah. Me,
Wow.
which is the best for momo?
How is best, man?
Yeah. Which one? Oh, what's buff?
Wow.
Yeah.
Buffalo.
Oh, buffalo. Oh. Ah, I'm gonna try that. Yeah, let me have that.
Steam price.
Let me have the.
Pricey.
This is
Spicy.
oh spicy, and this one.
This is spicy. This normal. Sizzler. Sizzler no.
Yeah, and this one.
Regular 10 piece.
I think I'll.
This 12 piece.
Yeah,
This 10 piece.
but this is spicy
One plate.
because I don't want it spicy.
No spicy. Yes.
Okay,
It's
I'll have the
spicy.
regular one, but
Regular.
no spices.
No.
Yeah, no spices, no spicy. Yeah, I think that.
Yeah.
Is there something like a drink that can be like a Nepali drink? Yeah, because these aren't like normal ones, shakes and what's lassi?
This cold drinks.
Yeah.
Lassi.
Yeah.
Milkshake.
What's a lassi?
Blended hookah is good.
The lassi, what is a lassi? Yeah. What is it made of?
Banana.
Banana?
Banana lassi good. Mixed lassi.
Oh, okay. Hold on the lassi because I'm not sure what it is. Yeah, just the food first for now. Yeah.
No. Just food.
Yeah.
No lassi.
Okay, which is the best
Okay.
one then?
Mix.
Mix?
Yes.
Okay, let me try the mixed lassi
Mixed
then.
lassi, okay.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, so there you have it. This is better because I can actually speak the language and so I can be able to order. So I ordered the traditional dish. It's called Dal Bhat. I'm gonna have to cross check that. So it's this dish set that they have a lot of dishes, and then you have to choose whether you want chicken, mutton, vegetable, fish, and plain rice or something. So for me, I have been eating chicken since I got here, so I chose mutton. And then the other thing is momo. Momo is the dumpling, and you have also chicken, vegetable, beef, mutton, paneer, all these things, and chicken family. So I chose buffalo because why not? And I'm having mutton, and I have had chicken, and I have vegetables too. So buffalo it is. And then for the drinks, the only one that I don't know what it is on the menu, they have the normal ones: espressos, lattes, ginger lemon teas, macchiatos, milkshakes, lemonades. So lassi. I don't know what lassi is, so I try lassi. It's edible, so it's fine. I'm already having a better experience here. I'm not as confused. I know how to order. It's off the menu. I know how much it is, so I'm not worried that maybe my card will be accepted or not. And so, yeah, definitely already liking this experience. All right, thank you. Thank you. And they give you warm water here, which I love. Here is my lassi. It tastes like a milkshake, but with less thickness. And it's mixed fruit, so it's a lot of taste in it. Yep. Thank you. There's my mama. Now the trouble here comes where I am not a chili person. And everything here has chili. And when you say you want mild chili, my mild is not like their mild for sure. So let me taste it without the sauce first, just in case. That's really good. Buffalo. That's very tasty. And I actually I specified no chili, no spices. It has a little bit of spices. I'm very sensitive to them, so I know. But I'm imagining if I had not specified no spices, how would it be? Now let me taste the sauce. These flies, unfortunately, they're everywhere. I moved another time, so let's try this one. Looks more orange, which means more chili, I'm sure. My chef, I'm ready for it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I was right. That's hot. So I keep that to the side. Woohoo. Let me try this one. Again. See, that one I can work with. So I don't know how I'm gonna survive South Asia because everything has chili. Thank you. And like this. And here's a Dal Bhat. So this is my mutton. Sorry. This is my mutton. This is green grams. I don't know what they are. I think that's the English name. That's how we used to call them back home. In other words, dengu. So lentils. So it's a meal that has rice. It has some curry, meat. You can have chicken. Then you have some lentils, sort of something cereal. So in this case, it's like green grams, dengu. Then you have some pickled vegetables, curry, sort of here. This one. And then this is like spinach, some greens, some more veggies, some things, and spices. This one literally has a green chili in it. Look at this. This is crazy. It has some yogurt and some mixed vegetables. And these can be like chapati or roti, but in this case it looks like some dried ice cream cone or something. I have no idea. But it's nice. Let's see. Let's try it. Let's try the veggies. Nice. Not too spicy. This I'll need a spoon for. See? Just the same like from back home. I haven't actually had them since I left Kenya, so it's nice. It's really nice. I'm not sure if all this food is actually meant for one person or it's supposed to be shared by two people. Because it's a lot of food. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The matcha. Time to test it. Oh, also slightly spicy, not too much, but it's also very tasty. And all this food, by the way, has a lot of spices, like leave alone chili, but other mixed spices, you can choose them very well mixed too. I told you I don't eat spices. I mean chili. I will be full on crying by the time I'm done. But I'm not touching that. Nope, wouldn't dare. But have you not tried? This I already said it's good. It doesn't taste like an ice cream cone. It looks like one but doesn't taste like one. Okay, let's try the veggies. That is just spinach. Okay. Next, I have no idea what this is. It looks spicy. Let's see. Yeah, definitely spicy. This looks like kachumbari we have at home in Kenya, or some people call it salsa in other countries. So it's like tomatoes and some chili and some probably onion. Based on how I'm feeling in my mouth right now, I'm gonna not touch it with a 10-foot pole. And then you have yogurt. That's just yogurt. It was such a relief for my mouth. And the good old vegetables. Fresh, just as I like them. So, there you have it. Nepali dish, everyone. Really good. Make sure you try it. There's so many restaurants that sell it, so go to one of them in the market, like in the Tamil, try it. It's nice. Bring tissues because you're gonna need them. I really need them now too. The mutton, the lentils, the rice, mixed veggies, greens, pickled veggies, salsa, kachumbari if you wanna call it, some spices, chili that I'm gonna not touch, and you have the yogurt and the veggies and this which look what I found. This is among the vegetables. This is an entire green chili, if I'm not wrong. These people want to kill me. That's the only conclusion. Ooh. I honestly don't think this food is meant for one person, but I finished it. I'm so full. I've eaten for 3 days, for sure. Yeah, the only things left are the chilies. So thank you so much for watching this video on Nepali food. It's a very nice welcome to me here, and I'm really loving it. subscribe, comment, share, like, you know the drill, to see the content that I bring forth from here. And see you next time. I know water doesn't help. What does?